Designed with productivity in mind, the Motorola Solutions two-way business radio portfolio is not only smart, simple, and reliable, but also able to withstand the daily rigors of the workplace. The better a team communicates, the more efficiently it operates. Information is instantaneous, productivity increases, decision-making becomes easier, safety and security get stronger. In customer services-oriented environments, service improves and customers are more satisfied. Communication between radio users is as simple as pushing a button. Two-way radios are the new communication tool that fit any workplace, any budget, and most importantly, enables that communication. Today's businesses need a quality radio with low ongoing operational costs. Unlike other technologies, two-way radios are an affordable and simple-to-operate alternative, with no monthly fees, per-call charges, or annual contracts. Also, there is no infrastructure or high upfront costs. Business two-way radios feature intuitive controls, like a push-to-talk button, rotary knobs, push buttons to turn it on or off, adjustable volume controls, and buttons that allow you to change the channel, making radio setting adjustments a breeze. Each radio also contains a microphone and speaker. A user initiates a conversation by pressing the push-to-talk button on their radio. The radio transmits the communication via a radio wave on a specific frequency. All radios set to receive transmissions on this frequency and that are within communication range will hear the transmission. To reply, any radio that has received the transmission can respond by pressing their push-to-talk button. Frequency refers to the operating band on which the radio transmits. Different frequencies are used in different scenarios. For example, VHF frequencies are best used outdoors, where workers are spread across large coverage areas without a lot of obstacles. UHF frequencies are better indoors, where workers are concentrated in smaller areas, and there are lots of obstacles radio signals need to go through. Most VHF and UHF frequencies require a user license for business use. A license provides businesses dedicated frequencies that ensure communications are free from interference from other radio users in the same vicinity. Some radio models do operate on the 900 MHz spectrum, which is available without a license. Channels provide radio users with the ability to talk to other users within a specific group and are an important tool businesses can use to coordinate their staff and improve workplace efficiency. To determine the number of channels needed, it is necessary to know the number of individual users and number of talk groups which need to be maintained. If a certain department needs to maintain its own talk group, it would require a dedicated channel for that department. It is common to have multiple channels within a department for special projects, where more than one operation or event is occurring simultaneously. So in an environment such as manufacturing, they may have a dedicated channel for each department: maintenance, production, shipping, receiving, and security. When making decisions regarding the number of channels your customers need, it is very important to keep future expansion in mind. Depending on the model, business radios can provide up to 25 channels. In combination with the frequency the radio is set to transmit on, coverage range is also largely determined by the radio's power output. The higher the power output, the greater the distance the radio will communicate, and the more obstacles the radio signal will be able to penetrate. The Motorola Solutions two-way business radio portfolio features models with a variety of different power outputs, designed to help customers find the perfect solution for their work environment. Radios range in transmission power from 1/2 watt to 5 watts. These powerful radios can provide true building-wide communication spread across areas up to 350,000 square feet, or 30 floors up. Some models can leverage repeaters as well for even greater coverage. Radios feature an accessory jack that supports a variety of audio accessories that allow radios to be customized for specific applications. All two-way radios come standard with a rechargeable battery, a fixed or removable antenna, a belt clip or carrying holster, charging tray, and an AC adapter. The remote speaker microphone is built and rigorously tested to the same quality standards as our radios. It is ideal for professionals who need to talk and listen without removing the radio from the belt or holster. The surveillance earpiece enables discreet communication and is the ideal audio accessory for security personnel that need to keep earpieces hidden. The Motorola Solutions business radio portfolio features radio models designed to meet the different needs and applications of each end customer. Advanced radios feature more channels and a wider coverage area, but will require a greater initial investment. Basic two-way radios are designed to be easy to use and are the perfect radio solution for users who don't need advanced features. For more detail on the radios in the portfolio, view the video overview for each radio family.